This building is absolutely huge. Absolutely and tremendously huge. Oh, God almighty, it's straight up I'm looking, and it just goes up and up and up and up, and it just doesn't stop. It's fantastic. And now we're proceeding to walk inside. Fallout shelter as a sign. And we're going inside now. And we're in. And it's quite dark in here. Oh boy. Thank you.
It took 12 months to design the building, 37 months to construct it. The VAB is 7 years old. During that 7 years, or those 7 years, a total of 12 Saturn V Apollo moon vehicles have been assembled here. 11 of them have been launched. The 12th is at the pad now. You saw it a few minutes ago, Apollo 17, receiving its final servicing before launching Wednesday evening at 9:53. Our last Apollo mission to the moon.